Morning breaks, your light exploding, hope awake, the darkness folding. In your truth, my heart is glowing. Jesus, you are here. Mountains shake at your great whisper. Chains will fall, the lost run quicker. Grace pours out like roaring rivers. Jesus, you are here. I will lift my eyes where my help arrives. Every breath I breathe shouts your victory. I rise with the sound of heaven. I dance in the joy you've given. Your love is the fire within me. Your love is the fire within me. I stand on the rock unshaken. My heart beats with revelation. You're faithful in every season. Forever, my God, my freedom. In the storm, your voice is singing. Peace and power, always bringing. Through the night, your truth is ringing. Jesus, you are here. Fear is gone, my faith is rising. Spirit-led and realizing you are good, forever guiding. Jesus, you are here. I will lift my hands in your perfect plan. Every step I take moves in heaven's way. I rise with the sound of heaven. I dance in the joy you've given. Your love is the fire within me. Your love is the fire within me. I stand on the rock unshaken. My heart beats with revelation. You're faithful in every season. Forever, my God, my freedom. Let faith roll louder than my fear. Let praise break through the atmosphere. Let every captive heart draw near. Your kingdom's coming, your kingdom's here. Let hope run wild in every soul. Let dry bones arise and be made whole. Let all the world declare your role. Jesus reigns. You're the light, you're the truth, you're the life. We run to you. You're the lamb, you're the light, you're the truth, you're the life. We run to you. I rise with the sound of heaven. I dance in the joy you've given. Your love is the fire within me. Your love is the fire within me. I stand on the rock unshaken. My heart beats with revelation. You're faithful in every season. Forever, my God, my freedom. Forever, my God, my freedom.